Pepper takes 4 months from the time you plant the nursery bed to the time you start to harvest. Because it takes 2 months, you count for each 2 months in the bed and then 2 months in the main garden, then you start harvesting. Now what would have been like the 5th month? You'd be harvesting. How do you care for chili? Chili is the easiest. Right after 2 months of you planting in the main garden, you will start to harvest. But the good thing about chili, exporters take it when it is still green. They don't take it when it is ripe. But for hot pepper, they want it when it's ripe, when it's ready. They don't take pepper when it is immature, unless if there is a particular order that specifically comes asking for immature hot pepper. But for hot pepper, they take it when it's already mature.